Have you ever thought about leaving everything behind? Your routine, your country, your comfort zone, and starting over somewhere completely new? Because here's the truth. Becoming an expat isn't just about travel. It's about reinventing your life. In So You Want to Become an Expat, you're not getting fluff. You're getting a no-nonsense roadmap to living abroad. From visas and income to cost of living and real-life adaptation. This book answers the questions most people are afraid to ask. How do you actually afford it? Where do you go? What happens when things don't go as planned? Because the truth is, you can't just pack a bag and figure it out. You need a strategy. Most people dream about becoming an expat, but never take action. They get stuck worrying about money, paperwork, and the unknown. Meanwhile, others are already doing it, living overseas, reducing their cost of living, and building a lifestyle they never thought possible. This book shows you how to become one of them. And yes, being an expat will challenge you. You'll step outside your comfort zone, but that's exactly where growth happens. So the real question is, are you ready to stop dreaming and start planning? Click the link below and get your copy today. Your new life might be one decision away.